Alright, so yeah, Mr. Bob pulled a lot of these. He do a lot of these, he's probably did so many of these, but see, that's not just, this one ain't been out in a while. It's coming though. There we go. Man, it looks pretty good in there, guys. It looks good. Wow, looks really good. So I can already know to get the inside, to get this inside plug out, I got to take these bolts out from the inside. So I'll be going inside. I'll probably start that tomorrow. And then I'll label this wiring harness up so I will know what it's off of. One step closer, guys. All right.
In the never-ending search for the basics.
All right, so I want to pull all of this type stuff out of here. I got to get some smaller. I want to take this off. I want to get the screen out of here. I want to get all this stuff out of here. Get the screen out of my way. All right. I don't know if you caught that, but that one was stripping out. So I'm probably gonna need a new bolt over there. All right, so this hood gasket, I'm not gonna reuse it, but I wanna hold on to it for now, just in case. All right, so then just getting these out of here. All right. So that screen's out the way now. All right, guys, so pulling windshield wiper off on an old car, you just want to pull this out as far as it'll come and then just work this thing back and forth. See that? That just, well, it's tight on there now, but you just want to pull this out. Let me see if I can get it to click back in place. All right. But when you go to take this back out, you're gonna want to have this out the way. So I should have left that the way that was. But when you bend this back, that thing will pop out of there. All right, guys, so I'm trying to hit it hard, boy. But I got that firewall in the inside heater core box. I got all of that stuff tore out of here now. I got this cleaned up. Now it's time to come in, and I removed all the stuff off of the firewall and up here on the oh my God, I'll be having, man. But anyway, I got all of this cleaned up off of here, off the cowl, front cowl, and I'm gonna come up here now, and I'm spraying wax and grease remover, and I want to spray this on here pretty heavy, guys, because I really want this to clean up the first time. So I gotta come in, and you know, guys, the better you prep your work, the better off your job is gonna be. Because if you don't prep this stuff right, guys, I'm telling you, you'll be messing around, and that paint will just come right off on you. So yeah. What up, Bank?
Hey, what's up, man? You in the house or you in
Yeah, I'm out in the back, in the garage.
the garage? Okay. All right, I'll meet you in a few.
All right,
All right.
I'll be here. All right.
All right.
So anyway, guys, the better you prep all of this stuff, guys, the better off you're gonna be. So, just trying to get it cleaned up. It's going to take a couple of different times to come through here and get this. But yeah, the better you prep it, guys, your paint stick. If you don't prep it right, your paint ain't gonna stick, and you're just gonna be in a world of trouble, guys. So gotta get creative with what you use and how you use it too. So some of this stuff been kinked on here for over 50 years. Stuff ain't trying to come off of there, guys. I'm telling you. You really got to get in here and wipe this stuff down. Look at all of that dirt still coming out. Look at that. All right, guys. So I'm coming in here now just with a degreaser, guys, and I'm just degreasing all of this for now. Now I already poured 15 of these floors, but I'm gonna go over them again. But I want to come in and I want to degrease all of this. I just want to spray cleaner in here. And this windshield is no good. I even want to get on top of this little dash piece there. And I just want to come in. Stuff is strong, so guys, I got my face covered up here. So I ain't breathing this stuff. And then I just want to come in and clean this baby down, guys. I want to clean all these rubbers. I want all of this stuff clean, guys. Alright, so now that I got this degreased, let it sit a while. And I'm not worried about the bare metal right there, guys. I'm not worried about that at this particular time, because I'm gonna be doing some more sanding on this area right here. So I'm not really worried about that at all, guys. But yeah, I'm not really worried about that. And you know, you got a good metal treatment. If you spray that surface rust down anyway, it should clean up. So I'm not really sweating that at all. Alright, guys, so we're taking these rubbers out. I'm hoping I'm in the camera here. I'm trying to see what I'm doing. But I just want to pry up under this thing. It's not the easiest thing to do, guys, but all right. So it popped right out of there, guys, and this is old and it didn't crack. But all I did was I come up under and then I push this up and get up under this lip and then just start prying it up, guys. I'm hoping I was in the camera there, but all right, guys. All right, so hopefully I'm in the camera here, guys. I still haven't took time to go in the house and look at this footage or even on the camera here to make sure that I'm in the camera. But anyway, I'm coming in here, guys, and I'm scuffing this cowl up scuffing it, getting ready for paint. And I'm just using this scuffing stuff. It's made by 3M. And all you want to do is dull this up. Get in there real good. In between the cracks, dull it up. Make sure you're getting everything. It's this mosquito in here, guys. I don't know. I ain't never seen a mosquito like that in my life. I don't know what they got going on these days. But that mosquito it don't look that good, guys. He's after me, and I done hit him a couple of times, and he still ain't died. So, end times. But anyway, I'm just scuffing this up, getting in here. Like I say, I will be pulling this windshield, but the windshield is cracked already. So it's not really that big of a deal of me scuffing on it or anything. Yep, I want to do this whole cowl and firewall like this, guys. And after I use that scuffing stuff, guys, by 3M, I just want to wet that down. And then you want to come in and dry it up, guys. I just use my shop towels. Also, I could use a lint-free cloth. But you just want to get in here and dry this down. So after I dry it down, guys, what I'll be looking for, and I'm gonna come over this again with the DA in certain areas, but really what I'm basically trying to get is around these areas where it's caved in there, and then I'm gonna come over it with the DA and just really sand this down a little better. And then I'll come in and seal this and paint it. But before this dry, you want to just wipe down the residue of the scuffing stuff. Then I'll probably wet it down one last time, let it finish drying, guys. So little tedious steps, but if you scuff it right and get it done right, your paint is really gonna stick, guys. So I got to do the rest of this firewall. I'm gonna go. I sanded most of this, but I still want to come in these certain areas and like around here, and I really just want to come in and sand this down really good, get it scuffed up really good, guys. All right.